Okay, so March 16. Remember, in history of Bitcoin, March was always bad. We had the dump last year as well. Here we had 1 week after. So this is what's happening now. The day still closed above the 12, but we are coming down at the moment. 21 is here, 21 to 20 on 51.6. So this 51 to 52 area needs to hold. If we start closing the daily above the 21 moving average, it's a bad sign. Indicators are pointing up, pointing down on the daily. Remember, still the same, just a quick update of what I said before. Monthly still pointing up, but we are rejecting this trend line plus the Fibonacci. We are trying to do a higher low during these months to try to push higher again. If we close the months below this line here or this candle close, it's a bad sign and we will come down big time. For now, indicators are starting to get more neutral but still pointing up. Weekly rejection from the trend line. To be more bullish, we need to close above 58. Basically, this weekly close. So it's better to buy higher and sell higher than to buy when we are coming down, when we don't know where is the support. On the weekly support will be the 52.5 this week, plus this candle close and this candle close. Any place here, we can do a higher low, but it will be better if it's above this candle close. So I see it here on the 52.5 to see if we hold, try to push higher. If not, we have the 12 moving average for a double bottom here on this trend line. And if not, this is the area I'm seeing 35 with this Fibonacci extension on the 1.8, 1.618, the Fibonacci magic numbers. And on the weekly, as I said, this was a bearish retest. And yeah, so let's see where we go. The markets, S&P 500, Nasdaq, QQQ still bullish, QQQ neutral bullish, but still pointing up. SPY all-time highs, Nasdaq trying to go to the top of the trend line. So the tech market still bullish and pushing. Let me just see Apple, see all Tesla, all bullish. So just Bitcoin underperforming. We might do a higher low here, try to push higher after all this big move up with no stop on the monthly. So let's see what we do. And okay, so the support will be here, 1 day at a time. Daily coming down. So we close below, on the daily below this resistance, which if we closed above will be stronger, but now we close below. And now we are trying to hold support on this trend line, plus the 21, and we still have the 20 here. This will be support. So 50, it's better 50 we don't go below 50. If we start closing below 50, remember now the support on the trend line, it's here. This is the support, so basically 52.1, as I said before. It's where is the weekly more or less, and also here 51.6. So between 51 and 52, it's the support that needs to hold, so we can try to push higher and keep the bullish momentum. If not, it's a bad sign for Bitcoin. Okay, so indicators pointing down. The 50 line is here. We got this bearish divergence, price going up, on the RSI coming down. So we got this trend line here coming down. And yeah, okay, so this is it. Just be patient. Remember, we are in middle of March. March is always a bad time for Bitcoin. So just wait for the candles on the daily to close above some support. Show some bullish structure on the 4 hours at least with bullish engulfing. Inverse head and shoulders.